and then you're just gonna stir it around with your hands. Now the trick, so just take a half step back so this young lady can see. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So we're just gonna mix it all up. Keep adding a bit.
I don't have to.
Yeah, we've got the butt.
When you touch it, it turns solid, right?
Exactly. So yeah, so the trick here, this is making something which scientists call a colloid. And a colloid is something that's kind of halfway between a solid and a liquid. So if you think of what a solid is, like a table, you hit it and it's hard, right? And if you think of a liquid, it's something which will, fill the shape that it's in and so on. Now, in nature you can find colloids. You get quicksand is actually a colloid. And believe it or not, ketchup is a colloid as well, which is why it doesn't come out of the darn bottle when you're shaking it. And the way a colloid works is if you have a force applied to it, it'll act like a solid. And if you don't apply a force, it acts like a liquid. So I broke my own rule and added too much water. And of course you can make it look really, really gross as well.
And if you add too much water, you get
That's right, that's right. Okay, so as I said, sometimes when you're applying a force, it'll act like a solid, and sometimes if you're applying a force very slowly, it'll act like a liquid. So again, if you're thinking of something that's a solid, when you bang it, it'll feel hard. Same thing here. You can bang it, and it'll feel like a solid. But if you act like it's a liquid by putting a force on it very slowly, you can just melt straight into it. Now the reason this is like quicksand is if you get caught in quicksand, you don't want to struggle. Because if you try and pull yourself out, you get stuck. So if you want to get out, you have to pull yourself out very, very slowly. Okay? Now let's see, T. One finger like this, you put your finger in, all the way down to the bottom. Okay, now T is stuck in quicksand, all the way down, push it right down. Okay, what I want you to do is try and pull the finger out as quickly as you can. I want you to go.
This side first.
It was holding it, wasn't it? Okay, now put it in again. And now just pull it out nice and slowly. Okay. Okay? So, sometimes it'll act like a solid, and if you put it in your hands, and you apply a force to it, whoops, it'll act like a solid, and as soon as you stop, it melts into a liquid. Wow. So, this is the point where you probably want to roll up your sleeves. Although it's very easy to clean up the food coloring can stain shirt, so do roll up your sleeves. And what I'm going to do is just put a little bit in your hands. And we've got some pre-made here as well. Are they? So hold your hands over the table, and I'll just give you a pile. Hold your hands together. Roll your hands together. Yes, you sure can. Here, look, here, hold up your hands. Get up. Hold your hands up. No. I don't like